A pleasant morning to everyone. My name is Jewel May Berlong from BE2C. Today I am going to share what I've learned about the plant kingdom. Plants are amazing living things that give us food, oxygen, and beauty all around us. They are divided into two main groups. This one is Stylophyta and number two is Ambrophyta. Based on their structure and complexibility, there's the first one is Stylophyta. These are simple plants with no true roots, stem, or leaves. Their body is called a thallus. They also don't have a vascular tissue like xylem or pollen. Example of thylophytes are algae. The green algae, Chlorophyta, most live in the freshwater and contain chlorophyll A and B, just like land and plants. The brown algae naman is, or Pylophyta, is usually found in the ocean. They have a brown pigmented called Pachyxanthinans are used for make foods like cosmetic and ice cream because of substance called alganic acid. The second group is Emprophyta, which includes more advanced and plants. They have true roots, stem, and leaves, and their embryos develop inside the female organ for protection. Embryophytes are divided into two major divisions. Bryophyta, which includes non-vascular plants like liverworts, hornworts, and mosses. Liverworts have flat bodies. Hornworts have horn-shaped sporophytes, and mosses are small green plants with stem-like leaf-like parts. The other group is Trireophyta, or vascular plants, which have xylem, cuticle, and other adaptation for living on land. These include ferns, club, mosses, and seed plants. In short, I learned that the plant kingdom show how plants have evolved from simple algae living in water to complex and plants with roots, stem, and leaves. It's amazing how plants have adapted to survive almost everywhere on Earth. Thank you for listening. Thank you.